Right, well, let's see what's inside here, shall we? All I've done so far is taken the address labels off. So, I don't know what to expect at all, frankly. Basically, big box, inside which is a little box. This will make filming a bit easier. Up there. It's the only labelling on there. Everything else is standard. So let's break the seal. Oop. Well, 10 out of 10 for packaging. Can't even get into it. I've got one of them. I'm doing there. Something there wrapped up. Another bag of things. Another bag of things. A rather crumpled manual. And that bit. And another empty box. So we've already seen that. So let's put that there. Two bits of paper. One in colour. And some assembly instructions. This I assume is the pretty orange bit. And it is. There we go. Imperial and metric. Rather beefy handle. Right, let's put that to one side. So that's what you get for your money. And we'll put it together. Step 1, handle. Washer on the end. That goes in there. It's a rubberized handle. The grip's very comfortable. You feel you can adjust your grip as you need. Very nice. So these hold this to this. And when you take them off, take them apart, you get this little nut that has to slide into there. Right. Then you've got to get that into there and sort of bit of jiggery pokery. and you're done. So this one, your last piece is this, but we'll sort that out in a minute. So our last piece is the stop. That just undoes there like that. Standard T-nut. Slide it on. There we go. Job's a good one. And we just get to play with it. So this has been set at 0, so that should be at 90 degrees to that. Power is off, I've already checked. I'll put that there. It's looking promising. Let's make a cut and see what happens. Straight square. Spot on. Lovely. Done. Here's a piece I've done at 45 and a 90. There's the 45. It's spot on. No complaints there at all. And the 90. Again, beautiful. And here's the offcut of the 45 I did there. Flipping it round. I'd be happy with that. So yeah, nice. So, initial thoughts. Yes, very nice. Everything's a little bit stiff at the moment. It is brand new out of the box. And even as I'm saying that, I'm getting a feel for how this works a bit more. So I'm happy with that. The locks do work nicely. I know that that's 90 degrees to that. I'm happy with that. Over time, I'm sure that'll loosen up a bit. I can even, if necessary, adjust these a little tiny bit. But I suspect once this black starts to wear off a bit, I'll be happier. You can see it's already started there, and I've only used it a couple of times. So I think once that runs out a bit, it'll fit like a proverbial glove, and I'll be very happy. Even handling it awkwardly like that, it's fine. This is okay. And of course, it's the pretty UJK orange colour, so you can't argue with that, can you? So there you go.